I actually heard about Roof Max, so I started learning the science behind what they actually had, and that's when I decided to try and come on board. What excited me the most about it was the ability for the product to extend the life of shingles, to keep shingles on the roof and out of landfills. It's the first product that allows folks to maintain their roof. They maintain their driveways, they maintain their decks, now they can actually maintain their roof. And for me personally, keeping a petroleum-based product out of the landfill for 5, maybe 10 more years is an important thing, I believe. And looking in the wording of the patent, one of the phrases that is repeated over and over and over again is that Roof Max maintains and restores aged shingles to bring back their flexibility. If you start the process early enough in the aging of a shingle roof, you could do it again in another 5 years. And we think you might be able to continue to treat it for maybe up to 15 years or more.